Hey, hello, this is Kronos with another video, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you and explaining to you how to make cash on Roblox and off of Roblox. So, one of the sites that I used to buy from is called RBX Place, but I got banned from here because of the chargeback, right? I didn't charge back. PayPal just automatically charged back. Mainly, I think it's because of the seller taking off the item, and then you're buying the item, so you're paying that already, but the item doesn't exist to be sold because the owner took it off. Then they charge back, and if for some reason, somehow, right, the place, RBX Place, register as it taken off, but the trade did go through, the bot went through, and then they send the trade to me, I receive the item, and then PayPal charged back. I don't know why. Maybe because the seller saying this item is not for trade anymore. But anyways, I got banned from here. But this is the best place to go buy items. Okay. Next is this. I want to show you my calculators. Let me pause this first. Okay, I showed you my calculators. Here it is. Alright. On the right side is how much money you have. Let's say right now you have $500 in your bank account, okay, or in your PayPal, whatever. Alright, you need cash, by the way, PayPal and cash, and a bank account. Here's how much money you'll be spending, right? Every time I subtract over here, I add over here, and here is how much Roblox you will get once you sell the item. And here's a place where you will go and buy the item, and here is a place where you will go sell the item. And then you will sell your Roblox, you cash out your Roblox to get money. Now here's how you hack the system. Hack, meaning it's not really hack, but you know, it's cheating. So here's how I do it. Valkyrie, on average, you can buy it for $125 or $130, but in this case, I put it $125 because you're not desperate. So you're buying 2 Valkyries. Alright, 2 Valkyries is 250, right? On a 250. 250, right? Yeah, 250. You buying 250. And if you sell 2 Valks, it will total up at an 84. Alright, just so you know. If you sell a Valkyrie at 60k, alright, times 0.3, is how much Roblox gonna take for you. And then you minus it from 600k is how much money you're gonna receive, and you times that by 2 because you have 2 Valks over here. Then you will have 80 freaking thousand Roblox, right? That's not enough for 100k. So you buy another, you buy peanut butter here, and peanut butter here usually is about minus $65, right? 65, all right. $65. So you minus $65. 65. Oops. Let me just go plus 65 plus another 65 equals 315. 315. And then if you were to sell peanut butter here for 3 freaking Roblox, right? Times 0.3 equals 90k minus 30,000 equals 21k. So 84 plus 21 is how much you receive. 1,500 with freaking 3 other zeros in it. That's how much Roblox you will receive. And with that being said, you can go and cash out. I'm kind of sick. Anyways, but the first thing you need in order to cash out, you need Outrageous Build a Club. You need a minimum of 100,000 Roblox, which you do. You extended. You have 1,500. You have to have a verified email. You need to have an email, Hotmail, Gmail, Yahoo, any kind of mail connected to your account, and you need to verify, meaning you need to say, hey, this is my email, here's my email. Okay, then you go to your email and then you say verified. Yes, this is my account. Yes, here's the code number. Copy the code number, go back to Roblox. There should be a verification code, little box pop up saying boop, put it in, and then you put it in, boom, verified. Alright, validated X. Okay, that just went off there. This doesn't really matter. This really doesn't matter anything about this. It's just basically saying, I don't know. It's just saying that I don't even know what this is, but this doesn't matter. This, you need to be 13 years older you make sure your account's 13 years old. Secondly, community members of good standing, having complied with Roblox terms. I would believe that this is saying you've never been reported, and meaning you can be reported, but you've never met that little pop-up saying, please abide to our rule because you have done this by saying blah blah blah, or you have done this blah blah blah, or on this form blah blah blah, or on this note blah blah blah, on this group message blah blah blah. Say if you have any pop-up, please abide to a rule, accept term, click I agree to the terms, continue. If you've never had that, I think this means that you were fired. But I've never done a cash out, although I think if I do cash out, it wouldn't matter anyways. So that being said, all you need is an outrageous build a club and 100,000 Roblox with an email connected. Alright, now you cash out. Boom, -1,0,0,0,0,0. You have 5,000 Roblox left, and then you're plus 350k, 300, and then you just made 35 Roblox, $35 profit. Now, okay, now let's ease it up a little. Let's say you want to buy Dominus Perfectus. Dominus Perfectus is about 260 to 270, right? This let's make it down. Let's make it smaller, because I seen one for 230, 250. Oops, click clear. 535, right? That's how much we had. Let's say we minus 250 in this case. 250. Now, Dominus Perfectus is about, 150k Roblox and wrap. Now you sell it for 150 exactly at the wrap. I guarantee you somebody will buy it. Alright, somebody buys it. Then you will do times 0.3 equals that minus 150. How you get 105? You get 105 Robux. You get 105 Robux back. You got 105 Robux back. Now you sell it back. Alright, remember, you still have your little you still have your 5k Robux from your, I think your 2 Vox and a peanut butter here. I think I did in this video. So you got that, and now you minus, 100. Oops. Okay. And then you minus it, and then you receive plus 350 over here. There it goes. So you'll be at 635. Right. So you just made $100 profit. Is that even right? So 535 minus 25 equals plus 35. So you just made $100 profit. Yes, you just made $100 profit with the Perfectus. Alright, how do you just receive 300? If I haven't gone through this already, you sell your Perfectus, right? And you will receive, you sell it. Remember what I said? Your Perfectus, Dominus Perfectus is this much Roblox, right? You selling it, you will receive 1,500 freaking Roblox. 105,000 Roblox. You receive that much, and you would sell it for, and then you would go here and you cash it out, because there should be a little cash out, and you just put your stuff, your name, your bank account. I don't think it asks for a number. It just your probably go through Gmail. I've never done it before, but anyways, you do that, and that's why you would have clear. You will only have 5,000 Robux left, and you receive 350. All right, and you do another repeat. I said you buy another freaking Dominus Perfectus for 250, and you receive another. You would subtract by 250 and then plus 350, and you receive another $100. So every time you buy 250 and you sell it off for 100k, you will make $100 profit. So that's how you make profits. Now looking at me, alright, looking at me, I'm selling, one item I'm selling right now is a Black Sparkle Time. I'm selling it for 200, basic 300k, and with 300k, I'm selling it for alright, this is what I'm selling. 2,999,999, which is, anyways, which is 300k. Alright, alright. Minus, alright, times 0.3 is how much that would be taking. Almost 100k. Can you believe that? Oh my god, okay. Then you subtract by 300k. I would, what the freak? Okay. Anyways, alright. Minus. That's how much Roblox I would receive. Alright. I receive this much Roblox. 210. 210, I can sell 2 of those. I can sell this 2 times. Sell this 2 times. And I would receive. I would sell this 2 times. So I would exchange it out. And then develop for it 2 times. Should I? Or should I not? Let's do the math. Should I exchange it for right? Should I just buy another item and try to get 150, 250, right? 40k, or should I just sell that off for 700? So think about this. I could receive another freaking $170 simply, right? So 250 times 2, $700. I could 40k more. I could receive 175. So obviously, I'm gonna try for 175. I'm gonna try for 175 so I can receive $875 for $175 more for just another 40k more. 40k Roblox more for another $175. Obviously, it's the best. Actually, that's a bad deal. Because 100k is 350, right? If you divide... Wait. Oh, wait, let me think. So, 350 divided by 2 equals 175. So $40. Yes. I would go for 250 because that means I'll be 10k profit plus money. Alright, so well, you get what I'm saying? I'm saying is for another 40 Roblox more, 40k Roblox more, I receive 175 when on here 100k, 135 would be an equivalent of, you know, whatever. Okay, 50k would be equivalent to 175 when here all I need is 40k more just to receive 175, which is obvious point of buying another one. But obviously you need anyways, I could do it, and I could do a lot of money. I can make a lot of money, and I could keep buying, keep selling, buying, selling, and over time I could become. I make lots of profit, and that's how you make money off of it. And until Roblox start to, you know, until Roblox can't, Roblox can't go into this site and say, hey, you can't be buying items off of here, right? Because you're not allowed to. Roblox can't do that, right? This is like, you know, this is like a black market, meaning, although there are you know, there are freaking backfires, there are, you know, what is the word? What is the word? I'm losing the word here. There are things in which when you do it, it can backfire you, right? Saying if you're about a freaking item that's poisonous, right? So an item that has been stolen from somebody else, and Roblox is gonna come and take the item, delete the item, and take it back, give it to the real owner. If you just buy that item, that's a backfire on you, because they can take it back anytime they want, and if they take it back, that means you lose money. So that would be a backfire. But Roblox could one day, and if they were to figure this out, right? Figure out that somebody's using RBX Place or RBX Exchange to sell it off of Roblox and then rebuy it and keep on doing it, right? So they've never spent a dollar and they keep making money off of it. Roblox could just shut down, right? Sue RBX Place for advertising their items, right? With no, what is that word? Without owning these item, right? Without owning the item, taking the item, and then, you know, there's just a lot of things to it. I think that Roblox one day could sue RBX Place and RBX Exchange, any kind of thing that involves their item, their virtual item, involves their virtual item. Right, but I don't think Roblox, I think they could sue it. I don't think it would work, but anyways, Roblox is pretty rich. I'm pretty sure if Roblox sue them, they will go down, guaranteed. Or Roblox could just end the trading system, and then nobody can trade anymore. But that's all for it. That's freaking 60-minute on this topic. And there's other ways to do it too, but I think I'm going to save that for later. So that's all I got. Peace out.